Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Raina Mo's Designs. And today I was just thinking, what could I come up with just off the top of my head that I could do for you guys today? So if you're interested, come see. So as I was saying before, I was thinking what kind of DIY craft I could do just off the top of my head. And lo and behold, we're going to use a bonnet today to make a beautiful centerpiece or floral arrangement for a loved one. So keep watching.
Can we get a like for that pun?
So what we're going to do is we're going to be using one of the floral foams that they have that's round from the Dollar Tree. I also got this bonnet from the Dollar Tree. Now, for this particular design, you can do it a multitude of ways. You can take the bonnet and set it on top and build your floral arrangement underneath so that it just looks like a cute little girl's bonnet sitting in some grass and beautiful flowers. Or you can take the bonnet and have the bonnet sitting on like a platter and place the ring on top and then build your flowers around it for a beautiful hat bouquet. That's also an option for you. And then the third option, which I will not be doing, the third option is you could take regular floral foam, the dry foam, cut a hole in the top of your bonnet and build your floral arrangement so that the hat is growing a beautiful bouquet of flowers. So those are just a few options that we have that we could definitely do. So any of those options, guys and girls, if you decide to do it, please take a picture, send it to me, post it on your social media, tag me in it. I would really love to see all of the possibilities of this one particular idea. But from here on out, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start working. So keep watching. So here I'm just showing you some lace that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm showing you the things that you're gonna need, which is your hot glue gun, because I'm gonna go around the circumference of the very edge of the brim of the bonnet so that I can make it appear a little larger than it is by adding the lace detail, as well as making it a little bit more girly and a little bit more frilly. So basically I'm just going to add to the edge a little bit of hot glue, and you saw where I added a little bit of a pin tuck or a pinch pleat, and basically I'm showing you how I do that by affixing the glue where it is that I actually want it for the lace, and then which is probably about 4 to 5 inches. Then I put a little dab of glue on the lace and just pinch and fold over a small amount of that lace, and that helps create that pinched pleat or that pin tuck look. So I'm just going to continue that all the way around the circumference of the brim, and if you pay close attention you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. And then I'm going to flash forward because I didn't want to waste the time of showing me do the whole entire brim, because my editing software will only let me increase the time by 2. So even though it's faster, it's not as fast as I would like. So anyway, about right now I'm gonna go ahead and flip forward, but you get the idea of how I create that pin tuck or pinched pleat look. Okay, my fellow crafting queens, here I'm adding the hot glue all the way around the brim so that I can finally attach my ring. And now it's time to actually start with the decorating. So choose whatever floral background it is that you want. And when I say that, I mean the color scheme. Now for me, I want it to be very springy, but yet summer will be here before you know it. So I also have some flowers that I think are pretty summery. so that this particular project can stand out and be left out for a longer period of time if you're using it in home decor. I'm handing this off to my mother. She has someone that she wants to give this to, and they're going to use it for wall decor. So keep in mind that obviously this can sit on your table. This can sit on a chair. Obviously it can go on a wall. It's a project that's really, really cute, I would say. More cute than it is elegant, but it's something that would definitely brighten up someone's day. I believe with my mom, this is going to go to one of the sisters in the congregation who is sickly right now, and she's in a home for rehabilitation for her leg. So anyway, this will brighten her day because she can hang it on the wall or hang it on the door. But like I said, with this particular project, you can make it whatever you want and use the flowers that you like. If you don't really want to do flowers, you could even do greenery. Some ivy and onion grass would look so pretty on this particular project as well. Or you can bling it out by putting lots of rhinestones that imitate dewdrops on the flowers or the leaves. So, you know, the sky's the limit. Whatever you can imagine, whatever you can think of, you can create with this particular project. And I just think she's totally, totally adorable. So I'm just going to continue working on her, making a little bit of tweaks here and there, making sure that none of my green foam stands out or can be seen from the top or from the sides. And I hope you guys are ready because it's almost time for the final reveal. Keep watching. Also, I wanted to mention, I've been getting a lot and hearing a lot where my regular subscribers are not getting their notifications. So please check that you are subscribed and you weren't unsubscribed by YouTube. Also check that notification bell. Make sure that it is engaged and it's checked. Because if you don't, then you will miss my weekly uploads. I always upload at least one video per week, so always know that your girl, she's on it. I'm always going to bring something new and fresh to you guys, but you guys have to look out for those videos, and if their notifications don't show up in your feed, then just go to the channel and look, because there'll be something on there new every week. Alright guys, are you ready for the final reveal? Because I know I'm sure ready to share it with you. And here she is. And I think she's absolutely adorable. I love her little lacy ribbon and tails and all the different pops of colors of different bright flowers. Just so cute. And I can imagine anyone who's feeling under the weather, looking up in their bed, seeing something like this on the wall would definitely make them smile. So if you have a mother, an aunt, an uncle, someone in your congregation who might not be feeling that well, why don't you recreate this particular project and tag me in it so I can see your pictures. But most importantly, have an absolutely wonderful evening. Bye.